I hope you're having a great day. If you follow my channel, my look might look a little bit familiar as I'm filming quite a few videos today. So I filmed already this eye makeup look tutorial and I actually used the Primark pigment. Yep, so the video is up on my channel already if you guys want to check it out. And another video that I did, so I'm still in the process of filming that as I'm doing a wear test as well, is the brand new Makeup Revolution Bake and Blot translucent powder. So I want to do a proper wear test to see if my oily skin will like it or not. So yeah, I still don't know if it's good or not. Alright, so in today's video I'm gonna show you how to apply the false lashes, the magnetic false lashes. Magnetic false lashes been a trend now for a while. I actually did a video like 9 months ago or so about magnetic lashes, but those ones I think I got just like on eBay or something and they were not branded or anything and they had only one magnet, and these ones has 3 magnets, so these might be a bit tricky to apply. I haven't tried magnetic lashes by Ardell yet, so that's a brand new to me, first one to me. I'm not sure if I'm gonna like it or no, so it's gonna be a review and tutorial video in one because it's as new to me as it might be new to you, or maybe you love them already. If you've been using it and loving it, let me know in the comments down below. So what caught my eye about this, I got this in my local boots I think, and it cost like 12 pounds or so, or maybe 10 pounds, I can't remember, so I don't want to lie to you. So what I like about it, what it says, it contains 1 set of magnetic lashes and the band is curved for a perfect fit already, which sounds amazing. What I noticed though, that the magnets are only on the outer side. The previous magnetic lashes that I had, the top line would have magnet on the bottom and the bottom line would have a magnet on the top, but these both, the upper one and the under one, have magnets on the inner part or the outer part. So this might be showing under actually because they should click like this. So I'm a bit confused. I'm not sure if it's gonna work. Ardell, this is a brand new to me. Let's just test it out. I haven't opened this yet, as you see, it's brand new. There's a little demo in here how to apply, but doesn't say much. All it says is gently remove the upper magnetic lash from a tray and lay on the top of your natural lash line. And the second is gently remove the under magnetic lash from a tray and place beneath your natural lash line to connect the magnetic lash together. It sounds super straightforward and easy so far, but I mean, gonna see soon. So without any further ado, I think we should just start. I prefer to apply my magnetic lashes using the tweezers, although it might be a bit tricky because metal and magnet starting from upper. So what I do, I use tweezers to grab just the end of a lash, so I kind of place it more precisely. So these ones called the accents because they are from like an outer corner of the lashes, so make sure you don't put too far away as that would just make your eyes look droopy and we don't want that look. By the way, I'm already wearing the mascara and I would strongly recommend for you to apply the mascara first, because if you're not gonna apply mascara, this part would be nice like lashes and then this part would just look funny, especially if your lashes aren't like jet black. Let's take this upper part from here. Okay, so the tricky part in here is to connect the dots together like properly, the magnets, and in the same line, because sometimes it's a bit, you know, off. You can always remove and try again, and you know, practice makes it perfect, as they say. But what I like to do, I like to pull up a bit my lid, my mobile lid, so I have kind of more space to be precise on my, like underneath the lash line. So this is exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna lift my lash like this, my mobile lid up like this. I'm gonna push it up and I'm holding the other lash once again with the tweezers, as I find it to be easier and more precise because I have a chubby fingers and I'm very like heavy-handed, so kind of scared that I'm gonna poke my eye or something, so I prefer to use the tweezers. But once again, I'm holding on the ends of the lash so it doesn't stuck to the magnet. Okay, and it clicked. Ta-da! That was actually really quick. So some of my lashes got kinda trapped in here, so what I'm gonna do, I'll take a lash brush and kinda brush in between. just to separate my lashes as it got kind of trapped in not straight position, and voila, we are done. So as I mentioned, the magnet on the lower lash line, under lash line, is on the inner part, and I would prefer it to be on the outer part because this is inner, this is outer, they should stuck together. I'm gonna try to zoom in the camera so you guys can see that this Ardell lashes, that magnet, this is the only part that really annoys me. Okay, I hope you guys are able to see. So this is the part that I'm annoyed about. You see the magnet sticking out in here because it's kind of visible. You can wear the eyeliner so that could kind of camouflage. So this is the only part that I don't like about this Ardell lashes, but this is the first time I actually tried the magnetic lashes that had 3 magnets and not 1. All the rest of my magnetic lashes has 1 or 2, so this one is kind of the biggest one, but I really like the way it looks. It gives that like nice effect, but it's not so heavy on the inner eye corner because it's just the accents. So let's just apply on the other eye, place in the position where I want this to be first. Okay, that should be. So if you don't like the way you applied it, all you have to do, grab the outer corner on. Ta-da! Super easy to remove. That's one of the reasons why I like the magnetic lashes. It's reusable, it's easy to use, and you can reuse as many times as you want, you know. Okay, take 2. Okay, I like the way I applied this time, so I'm gonna leave it in there. Just gonna once again brush it through. And we are done, as easy as that. This probably was the fastest review tutorial video ever. As you've seen, magnetic lashes are so super easy to apply. If you're struggling with that, this trick might help. I think that at least that helps me because I see better where I need to place it, you know, and gives me more precision kinda. So really hope this video was helpful. Talking about the Ardell magnetic lashes, I'm a bit disappointed that we had placed this magnet on the bottom, you know, so the minus point from me goes for that. Other than that, really nice lashes. I like the style, I like this accent. Judging by that it says accent 0.1, that means it's 2 and 3 and 4 and so on. Well, at least should be. I picked up, turns out, the originals, the first ones, 0.1, and I'm really impressed by the style itself. Can't feel it in any way except of the placement of the magnet on the under part. Why, Ardell? Why? And even that, really amazing thing in general, all the magnetic eyelashes. Honestly, you guys, I've been obsessed since the first time I tried it. I tried loads of different brands. That was my first Ardell ones, and so far so good. But why I like magnetic lashes? First of all, it's very easy to apply. There's no messing with the glue. It's reusable. You can reuse as many times as you want. It doesn't get dirty because you don't apply any mascara over it or anything. Well, at least you're not supposed to, but even if you do, you can just wipe it off with a wet wipe or, you know, soapy water or something, and that should be good to go again. So thumbs up from me for this Ardell magnetic lashes. If you tried any other magnetic lashes, not only Ardell, and you really like the style, leave a comment down below. Let me know so I can get my hands on it as well. Or if you tried magnetic lashes and you are just obsessed as I am, leave a comment down below and let me know. And I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this super quick review and tutorial video and you found this helpful. If so, please don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more, and I'll see you soon in my next video. So thank you so much for watching and bye! Ciao for now, guys.